Want to log in to ESPN Fantasy Football without using the app? In this video, I will show you how. First of all, you want to launch open a web browser and search for ESPN Fantasy Football. Now head over to espn.com/fantasy, then go ahead and tap on the sign up option. Now over here, in order to log in, you will have to enter your email address. Once you have entered that, tap on the continue option. Now enter your password, then tap on login. An email will be sent to the email address you entered. There you will find 6-digit code. Simply go ahead and enter that code here. Once you have entered it, tap on the continue option. And as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your account without using the Fantasy Football app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.